Hello teachers! This next instructional video is for installing and using Screencastify, which is a nice little Chrome extension that lets you record your screen, record yourself, or just record audio while you walk students through either a website or a presentation. So the first thing you want to do is Google Screencastify, and it'll pop right up. And make sure you're in Chrome and click Add to Chrome. Once the extension is installed, you'll see it. It's a little pink arrow up in the corner of your Chrome browser. In order to use it, you need to sign in with your Google account. I would leave that checked. It's very handy to have all your videos automatically saved into your unlimited storage of Google Drive. I was already logged in, but otherwise it would have asked me there to select my account. Make sure you enable camera and microphone. Allow. And you're in. So let's say I wanted to record myself walking through a presentation for students to see. I would click the Screencastify logo and decide what type of recording I want to do. If I just want to record my voice while I click on the presentation, just leave it on microphone. If I want to have video of myself, I can do that, and I'll appear in the corner. If I want to only record myself talking, just to record a quick video, that's fine too. But most of the time you'll probably use either desktop or browser tab. Desktop obviously would do your entire computer, and browser tab will do it on the tab you're in. So if you do it over here, it'll record this tab. So you got to make sure you're on the tab you want to record. So for now, we're just going to do desktop and record. You need to select the screen and say share, and it'll give you a countdown timer. Now Screencastify is recording my screen. So I can walk students through the entire presentation and click on things. You can also use the built-in pen and focus in the bottom left-hand corner, which comes with Screencastify, in case you really want them to focus on something in particular. Let's say, or maybe you were on a website and you're getting stats for something, that would work as well. When you're done, you press stop sharing. And it will automatically take you to your recording of your screen. You can play it. Now Screencastify. You can trim it and edit it as needed just by dragging these buttons if you have something at the beginning or the end that you don't want. You can Screencastify is recording my screen. You can copy a link. You can share it directly to Google Classroom. But I would suggest just doing a copy a link so that when you post it in either Classroom or Moodle, it takes them right to Google Drive to this video. I would also suggest renaming it. And then sending it that way. This is just a quick, basic video on how to use Screencastify and record your screen.